Hi ma'am. Hi sir. So since we are working on the concepts of cryptography, I'll plan to talk about blockchain today. So basically, what is a blockchain? Blockchain is basically a distributed ledger technology, and it is essentially a chain of blocks where each blocks contain a list of transactions. These blocks are linked together using some cryptography techniques, ensuring the integrity and the security of the information which is stored in them. So what makes a blockchain special is that it is actually decentralized. Instead of having a single authority like a person having all the authority to take decisions, it has some number of people, or we can say nodes, for the authentication and the authority. So how does the blockchain basically works? So it actually works in four steps, that is the transactions first, and then verification, and then a block creation, and then consensus. Okay, so what transaction is? So imagine if we are sending some money to information for, and if we consider some of the cryptocurrencies, transaction between cryptocurrencies. So imagine we are sending some money to a friend. So this is a transaction which is represented as a piece of data and is broadcasted in some network. Okay, so then it needs to be verified. So there comes the verification. Before the transaction can be added to a blockchain, it needs to be verified by the nodes that whether the transaction is valid, like does it have some information, like does it have some money or not. So like enough money or enough funds or not. So and then if the what you can say, the data or the sending money packet is valid, once it is verified, the transaction is grouped with others into a block. So basically this block is then added to the existing chain of a blocks in linear or a chronological order. Importantly, each new block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block. So it's creating a tamper resistance link between them, like a cryptography technique basic. And then we get to consensus mechanisms. So to ensure all the nodes agree on the current state of the blockchain, they use consensus mechanism. So the most famous one is called proof of work, which requires the nodes to solve a complex mathematical problems. It's basically like some encryption techniques which is getting decrypted here. Okay, so this is how the basic Bitcoin or some cryptocurrencies blockchain operates. So other blockchains may use a different mechanism, such as proof of stake, which is more energy efficient. So thank you.